Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. And it's time now for sunflowers. They're so fabulous, except for when they're not. Sometimes they need a little bit of help. When you get them in, quick dip, very important. Rapid hydrating, just put a little bit in a cup, and then as you bring them in, give each bloom a strong slanting cut. And then I like to do a second one going the opposite direction, arrowhead, dip. Then place it in the hydrating solution with flower food. Now sometimes their heads bend just a little bit. Makes you crazy because it's not going the direction you want it to go. If you take an 18 gauge wire, just a small segment, and then just feed it right down through the center, keeping it inside the stem so that no one will see it, and give it down into the center, just delicately pushing, and it will straighten that up, and then you can design with a perfectly straight flower. Now what happens if you get a bloom in that's just wrong? Maybe the petals are starting to come off. Rather than give up and just not have it, maybe make an artistic statement. Pull off half the petals. And have an artistic look with half and half. Or if they're all bad, just remove them all and use the center. So now you know, sunflowers are grand and you can make them even better.